Alright guys, a quick one. So if you are trying to use your iPhone in portrait mode and you just discovered that the iPhone is on landscape, now you're looking for a way to fix portrait orientation on your iPhone, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Mark you want to know that this is not all applications on your iPhone that support screen orientation or screen rotation. So to fix portrait orientation on an iPhone, all you need to do is scroll down the control center, locate the orientation lock. If the orientation lock is disabled, that shows your iPhone is on landscape mode, and that is going to rotate your iPhone screen on any supported application. So if you open the phone app, then you open any app, and then you open any photo on the phone app, then if you try to rotate, this is going to rotate the photos on your Photos app. You see that? However, if you only want your iPhone to be on portrait mode, then you need to disable the orientation lock to switch from landscape mode to portrait mode. Now go to the control center, locate the orientation lock and then tap it once. Once it turns red, then you should say portrait orientation lock is turned on, and that's going to help you to fix your portrait orientation on iPhone. And if you go back to the same Photos app, try to rotate, this is not going to work again because you've disabled the landscape orientation on your iPhone. So that's exactly how you can easily fix portrait orientation on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.